My heart was for the kids. Everything I was doing for her, I was doing them so they can find a mom who is okay emotionally and mentally. Because she was not okay when she came to me. She was not okay. But I said to her, listen, I don't dwell on problems. I want a solution. I can see you're telling me all your problems, but where do we start to fix your problems? Where do we start to fix your problems? We fix them, we continue with life. When she can stand on her 2 feet, she did what? The first thing that she did was to betray me. The first thing that you decided to do was to betray me. And you're not the only friend who did that. You're not the first friend who did that. Let me give you advice. You will never find a friend like me in your life. You will never find a friend like me in your life. Miniselo. God can't be testing me with all the friends that I have. You can't tell me that God is the one testing me with all the friends, because every friend that I had in my life has shown me that I don't need friends. Every day, God shows me how I don't need friends. God shows me every day. I never did anything wrong to my friends. I never slept with any of my friends' men. I've never betrayed them or even speak ill of them. I've never been in a circle where they trash talk my friend and I'm laughing. I never, even if you ask me about my friend, I'll never say anything bad because I have nothing to say bad about them. But they try to destroy me at every given chance they get. I've been nothing but good to that girl. I fought with my own sister. When she warned me about this girl, I didn't listen. I didn't listen because I think people have good hearts and don't judge people because of the things they do. I always have. I can't believe I'm crying. I can't believe I'm crying because I'm supposed to be strong. I'm supposed to be the loud one. I'm supposed to be... I'm supposed to be the strong Doro.